Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this origami dinosaur. So let's start. First, to make this, take an A4 sized sheet, fold it in half, like this. Open it and then fold it like this. And then the other side. Like this. And now fold these two corners upwards like this. On this side. Open it and then fold it like this. And then this side too. Now fold it to this line here, like this. And then fold this corner like this. Do the same here. Fold it like this. And then like this. Do the same on this side. Fold it upward like this. Open it and then fold it like this. On this side, open it, then fold it like this. Now fold this one like this, and then like this. Then the other one like this, and then like this. Now turn it, then fold it to this line here, like this. Then on the other side as well. Like this. and then fold the top part like this. Now you should have something like this. Now fold it like this. Pull this out. Like that. Now fold this one like this. And then like this. Now open it. Push it inside. Like this. Now fold it like that. Now fold this one like this. Turn it, then fold these two like this. And now we have finished making the origami dinosaur. Please do try making this at home. It's really easy making this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.